Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford C-Max with a smart key entry or known as keyless entry. And if you want to know where the fuses are for your keyless entry or the smart key, stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. We have multiple fuses, so make sure to stay until the end. I believe we have up to 4 fuses at two or three different locations. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price for your car, you want to save quite a bit of money, get quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. Another thing, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. So first, let me show you something here. We're going to open the hood on that Ford C-Max, and one of the fuse boxes is located, guys, right under the hood. Okay, right here. Perfect. So if you come here, okay, in the corner now, okay, that's where your fuse box is located, right here. Now, that fuse box, guys, we practically don't need this one. We need to go to a different place. Okay, one of the other fuses, okay, one of the main fuses is located if you come to the passenger side. Go to the foot compartment right here. Now we're going to go ahead, okay, and see right here under the glove box, okay, we have the fuses, okay, right there. That's the fuse box, you can see. Now I'm trying to zoom in a little bit so we can get a better perspective. And the fuse that we need to find now, it's actually fuse number 59, guys. Okay, fuse number 59. Okay, give me a second now. 64, 63, 62, 61, 65, 9. That 5M fuse, guys, that's the one that you need to check. Fuse number 59. Then you have 3 more fuses that you need to check, okay? And those fuses are actually located at a different place. They're located in the trunk of the vehicle. So if you come right here, okay, you come right here, you come to the side. And now let me show you what we have specifically here. Right here you have, okay, that cover. Okay, it will be like that. But if you remove it, and if you look at that one now, guys, okay, we need to actually find 3 fuses here. And I'm talking about, okay, fuse number 1, 2, and 3. And if you come to the very right side, on the very bottom, okay, I'm trying to zoom in so I can show you. The very first fuse right here for keyless entry, second fuse 10M fuse keyless entry, and that 5M fuse for keyless entry. Fuse number 1, 2, and 3. Those are the fuses for the keyless entry. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.